Who doesn't enjoy a nice and relaxing visit to the airport? How could one man possibly ruin the airport zen? On January 5th, 2025, the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of that man.
Go, brother, go.
Hey, sir, you want to go ahead and have a seat? I think we spoke to you earlier, right?
No, fuck her.
We were helping you earlier, remember?
Yeah, you did help me.
Yeah, so
I didn't do nothing wrong.
what's going on?
I didn't do nothing wrong.
You
Come
didn't do
on.
anything?
No, sir. Come on.
Okay.
You can check my line. Come on.
What's going on? What are you trying to do?
Nothing. Come on.
What's going on? What are you trying to do?
Nothing. No, sir. You can come on. Check my line. Check it.
Okay. Are you trying to catch a flight?
Check it.
Check what?
Check it. Check my flight.
I don't need to check your flight, bro.
Okay.
What are you trying to do?
Nothing.
Okay.
What, you want to connect me? Come on, let's go.
Connect to where?
I don't know where. Let me hear it.
I'm just trying to figure out.
I'm trying to hear it out.
I'm just trying to figure out what the plan is.
I'm not trying to play nothing. Fuck them. Fuck that.
Okay. So
I don't want it.
What do you want to do, boss?
I'm out. I don't want it. I honestly do not want it, brother. I promise you, I do not want
You got your ID on
it. Yes, sir.
you? Mind if I see it?
Yes, sir. Yeah, come on.
Are you from Huntsville?
No, sir.
No.
I'm from Mississippi.
How come?
What town?
Huntsville?
Going
No.
home.
Oh, you're going back to Mississippi.
Yes, sir.
Were you just visiting family or friends here? Okay. For the holidays, I imagine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. At least you got to see someone traveling by yourself, or you got like a family or friend that's traveling with you?
I ain't traveling now.
Oh, how come?
Like,
What are you trying to do, boss?
go home. How are you? You good?
Yeah. You want to take a seat for me?
No, sir.
Just sit down for a second. Relax. We're just talking. All right, we're just talking to you. Right?
Okay, so, here.
I appreciate it, man.
No, sir. No, here.
No, I don't need it.
No, here.
No.
Take it. If you want to convict me, then you better go ahead and start doing me.
We're just talking to you. We're not doing any convictions or anything like that.
I promise you, I have nothing to do with that.
I'm not trying to do anything, bro. I'm just trying to figure out who you
I
are.
do not give a fuck.
Okay.
I hate it, really.
Okay. You want it back?
No, I'm waiting on you. I really don't give a fuck. You can have that.
It's yours. I don't want to keep it, man.
It's not mine.
It's not yours?
The ID is mine, but past that, it's not mine.
You don't have credit card or debit cards in there?
I don't know what happened to that.
Okay.
I honestly have no fucking idea. I want to know. Thank you for asking that. Thank you. Fucking thank you. Please, thank you. One of us finally. Fuck. Thank you. God damn.
What's going on, man?
Thank you.
You told me last time out there that they canceled your flight. Were you able to rebook? Or what happened?
That's it. I don't know.
Okay.
I mean, my folks helped me out. I mean, it don't mean it makes a damn. What's it make? Not a fucking thing.
Okay.
You want me to tell them that? I will tell them that. It don't make a fucking thing. I would love for them to make a fucking damn. Yeah, me? Yeah, make a damn. Oh. God. Hell no. You think I do? Then I'll send them. I'll send them out. They ain't got a fucking thing to do with me.
You got your boarding pass on you?
Do I have a boarding pass on me? No, I have a boarding pass on my fucking ID, motherfucker.
Where's your ID?
On my fucking person.
Okay.
Were you flying with American Airlines?
I'm talking to him, not you.
Flying with American Airlines?
I have no fucking idea what I'm flying with.
So our partners here are going to talk to you,
Hold
okay?
on, hold on. I'm talking to him.
What do you guys got?
No, not much. We've just been asking what he's doing. He's not answering really our questions. He only wants to talk to Montez, but if you want to get in there and talk to him.
You want to just step back and I'll work out?
Yeah.
Wrong defamation. I'm sorry. I do not want that. I'm sorry.
Is your ID in here?
Yes, sir.
Do you mind getting it for me?
No, sir.
Do you mind if I get it?
Do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you mind if I go through it and get it out?
You can get whatever you want to.
I'll run him on too. He's clear.
Oh, you did?
That's what the name on it is.
So what are you doing here, sir? Where are you heading to?
I'm heading here. I'm family with my friend.
Yeah.
One of my friends. Yes, ma'am.
Who's your friend?
Caitlin James.
Is she here?
Yeah.
Where's she at?
She's in contain.
Okay. Did she travel with you, sir?
No.
So you met her here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight?
No, ma'am.
No?
I had a drink earlier, but I obviously hadn't had anything to drink since then. No,
Okay.
ma'am.
What
I
kind
did
of
have a
drink?
drink earlier. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what kind of drink did you have?
A vodka drink.
A vodka? Just vodka or?
Yes, ma'am. Just vodka. You
Okay.
can have everybody else. You're answer to that. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And how big was that drink?
A 2-ounce drink.
A 2-ounce drink?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you on any medication?
No, ma'am.
No? How long ago was that drink?
Oh, fuck. What is today? March the fucking 3rd. So, it was about, March the 2nd at, let me guess, 2 o'clock in the morning.
You said March the 2nd?
Oh, yeah, at 2.
And what's today's date?
It's the 3rd.
The 3rd of what, sir?
4th.
Of what? What month?
The 3rd of the 4th.
Okay. Alright. Are you by yourself? There's no one else with you? No? Do you have a boarding pass or anything on you, sir?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay.
I have one.
You
If
have
you
one?
want to ask for it, the legal right away.
I mean, if you want to show it to me, that's fine, sir.
Yeah, it's on the board of prosecution, so you might as well find it there.
Okay, sir.
All right, thank you.
What airline were you trying to be with?
Let's just have a seat.
What airline were you trying to fly out of?
American.
American. So you're traveling by yourself. You said you had one drink?
Yes, ma'am. That's all I have.
Well, sir, I need you to stand up and then turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Alright. Got it? Sir, you're going to be placed on arrest for public intoxication. Alright?
For what?
Public intoxication, sir.
For what?
I'm going to double lock real quick.
What did I do? For what?
I'm going to double lock real quick.
What did I do?
So you're gonna go to our holding facility for about 8 hours.
For
let you
what?
sober up.
No, for what?
After you sober up, you'll be good.
For
to-
what? No, hell no. What? For what did I get in public
Can I
intoxication for?
explain? Can I
Yeah, please
Okay.
explain.
After you sober up, you'll be good to continue flying. Okay.
Okay, now let me sit here and please let me continue saying.
No, we're
No,
leaving right now.
no, it's here. They're here. They are here. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, no,
yeah.
we're leaving.
Come on. Might as well let them say.
Good. Is somebody in a wheelchair?
Yeah, look at the wheelchair.
And then this is his other bag.
I'll get the bags.
You have this one?
Thank you, right there. Right there. No,
There was too much traffic at the store, so we're going to E14.
keep your hand on me. I got you, bro.
I got you, man.
Good. Yeah, you good.
I can't let
No, I
go.
don't care. You good.
You take
I
off
got
on
you.
me.
I
You
don't give a
look
fuck.
pretty fast. I don't think I'll be able to keep up with you.
Brother, yeah, man, I do not give a fucking fuck. I wish y'all would fucking deal with y'all's own fucking shit instead of fucking dealing with me. Fucking bullshit. Stop, get off of me.
Stop.
No, tell her to get off of me. No, tell her to get off of me. No, hell no, hell no, hell no. Hell no, tell her to get the fuck off of me.
Listen to
Hell no, tell her to get the fuck off of me. Tell her. Tell
has to hold on to you.
Don't tell her to get the, no, I don't give a fuck. Hey, you can take me right here. I do not give a
Take you
fuck.
where? We're trying to walk you out to the car.
Okay, take me right here. Let's go.
Stay in the chair.
Hey, let's go right here.
Stay in the chair.
Yeah, I'm staying in the chair. Let's go right here.
Just stay in the chair.
You want me to push you?
Yeah.
Okay, but hey, I'm gonna have to hold on to you too. Stay in the chair.
I'm leaning up for you.
No.
I'm leaning up for you.
Stay sitting down. I'll
No,
push you
I don't-
out.
I don't want her for him.
Okay.
No, I don't want that. No, fuck
What do you
that.
want then?
Fuck that. I don't want her on me. No, hell no. I'm not.
She's gonna have to push you out.
I might be a piece of shit, but I'm not that. No.
She's not doing anything to you.
Fuck that. I don't
We
give
just
a
need to
fuck.
get you to
I
the
do
car.
not give a fuck.
You want to walk out?
I don't give a fuck.
Fine, let's walk out then.
Okay, alright.
Listen to me.
I do
You
not.
pull back, you're going on the floor. Do you understand?
I
You
do.
walk out.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, alright. You want me to shut me down?
No,
Shut
I'm
throw
not
me
trying
down.
to do that. I'm
Throw me
telling you,
down.
you
Okay,
have to
alright,
walk.
I'm sorry.
Don't resist.
I'm not resisting. No,
Then let's walk out. You don't want to be in the wheelchair, then walk out.
What did we tell you, man? What did we tell you? Even with the cuffs off, there's nothing you can do right now, all right?
Stop.
All right, then stand up and this time how about you walk, all right? Because you're going to be in a world of hurt, all right?
I ain't doing shit.
You get his bags, I got him.
Hey, look, let's just stop. Let's just stop. I ain't doing
We
shit.
told you, if you resist. There were 4 that resisted.
No, sir. I want in. Hey.
You walk this time?
I'm down.
You gonna walk? All right, now this time you walk, all right?
Resisting.
I'm down. I'm not done doing shit.
Then just walk.
Please, do not do it. I do not.
Spread your legs.
I'm sorry.
Just separate your feet. Resist.
Hey, Benjamin.
I'm sorry.
Nothing's happening to you. What are you yelling for?
I'm sorry.
What?
Fucking go. I don't. I really do not want to know. I really just want to fucking go.
Come on, let's real quick.
You got anything in your pockets?
I didn't get nothing in my pocket.
Okay. Hey, relax.
No.
We're just trying to
I
search
want to go.
What's the problem, bro?
I want to go.
You're a grown man
past
for that.
that.
Like that. Don't move your foot. Your foot's good right here. Don't move your foot.
It's okay. You're fine.
We'll get you your shoe right now. We'll get you your shoe right now.
It's gonna go with you. Don't worry about it.
Alright, please. No, this hurts so bad. Please just let me go.
Alright. Put your locker in.
Oh my god. What the fuck? Ow! Stop!
Hey, put your other foot in, all right?
Put your other foot
No
in.
one's touching you, man.
Face that way.
Man, quit quiet crying. You're a grown man.
What the fuck, man? I don't give a fuck. Let him go.
Look that way. Got his shoe?
Yeah, I put it in the back.
Okay.
All right.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.